slope and deflection of cantilever beam shortcut. So first one is cantilever beam with free end load, okay. Cantilever beam with free end load, so load W acting at point B, okay, this is a point A, okay, fixed point. So here the slope at A is 0, slope at B, slope at the free end B 1 by 2 into W L squared by, so theta B equal to W L squared by 2A, okay. Next, deflection at point A, so the fixed point is 0. Next, deflection at point B, so equal to 2 by 3, so here completed 1 by 2, here 2 by 3 plus, okay, 2 by 3 into L divided by into theta B, okay, 2 by 3 into L into theta B. So answer is deflection at point B is W L cube divided by 3A. There is not, next deflection at C is there is no point C, so this is 0. Next, uniformly distributed of cantilever beam, so slope at A is 0, slope at B, so 1 by 2, here 1 by 3 into, so uniformly distributed, so small w, okay, L cube divided by 2A. So these terms abdi, okay. So multiply this one, so 1 by W L cube divided by 6A, okay. So next, deflection at A is, so fixed point A is 0, so deflection at point B is equal to, so 1 by 3, here 3 by 4 into L the theta, slope at B. So answer is W L power 4 8 EI. Here deflection at point C is 0. Next, slope at A is 0. Here 1 by 4 into this term, okay. So answer is W L cube 24 EI. Here deflection at point A is 0, okay. Deflection at point B, so equal to, here completed 1 by 4 by 5 L into theta. So answer is W L power 4 is the answer, okay. Here completed 1 by 2, 1 by 3 into previous one, 1 by 4 into previous result, here 2 by 3 complete 1 by 2, so 2 by 3 into L, here 1 by 3 complete 3 by 4 into L, 4 by 5 into theta. So in slope 1 by 2 into W L square E I, 1 by 3 into previous one, 2 3 is 1 by 4 into previous one. In deflection, 1 is 2 by 3 L into corresponding slope, second one is 3 by 4 into L corresponding slope, third one is 4 by 5 L into corresponding slope. Okay. So, here 1 by 2, 2 by 3 into L, 1 by 3, so 3 by 4 into L, 1 by 4, 4 by 5 into L. Okay. So, next so cantilever with the eccentric point load. So, load is acting a distance a from fixed end. So, on another end is L minus a. So, two terms. Okay. Slope at A is a fixed point 0, slope at B. So, slope at B and C is equal. Okay. There is no load between the B to C. So, theta B equal to theta C. So, theta B equal to 1 by 2 into W A square divided by A. Answer is W A square. So, capital W. Okay. 2 EI. So, deflection at point A is a fixed point, so 0. Next, deflection at point B. So, point B there is two conditions. So, 2 by 3 EA. So, up to distance A. So, 2 by 3 A plus L minus A. Okay. So, answer is W A cube divided by 3 I plus W A capital W A square 2 E I into L minus A. So, here point deflection at point C. So, deflection at point C only point load, so up to deflection up to point this one. So, at deflection at point B, so two terms up to B to D, D to C. So, this is the YC deflection. Okay. So, YC is W A square divided by 2 A into L minus A. Okay, YC is W A cube, sorry, W A cube divided by 3 I. So, remaining, okay, B to D is W A square divided by 2 A and L minus A. Okay, this is L minus A. So, B to D deflection is W A square divided by 2 A L minus A. Deflection at point C is W A cube divided by 3 I. At the next one is, so here 1 by 2, 2 by 3 A into plus L minus A, two terms. So, here point uniformly distributed load with some distance only. So, slope at A is 0. So, slope at point B is one by 3 into small w. So, A cube divided by 6 E A. So, this term W, this is a point load. So, then like put capital W, here small w. So, uniform distributed load. So, W A cube divided by 2 A. So, answer is W A cube into W A cube divided by 6 E I. Deflection at point A is a fixed point 0. Deflection at point B. So, three by 4 A plus L minus A. Okay, A remaining distance L minus A. 3 by 4 A plus L minus A. So, answer is W A power 4 8 E I plus W A cube L minus A. Okay. So, this into theta b, multiply with theta b. So at deflection at point C is W a power 4 8 EI. Okay, this term only. Okay, so at point C, W a power 4 divided by 8 EI. So next one is uniformly distributed load minus this one. Okay, so slope at A is 0. So minus of uniform distributed. So uniform distributed load equal to uniform distributed load minus uniformly distributed for some distance only. So remaining is free. So 0 uniformly slope of uniformly distributed load is W L cube divided by 6 EI minus W A cube divided by 6 EI. Okay. So minus of this one. So answer is equal to W divided by 6 EI into L cube minus A cube. So deflection at point A is 0. So deflection at point B is deflection of uniformly distributed load W L power 4 8 EI minus deflection of uniform distributed for only some distance only. So W a power 4 8 EI plus W a cube divided by 6 EI L minus A. So answer is W divided by 24 EI into 3 L power 4 minus 4 A cube plus A power 4. Okay. So deflection at point C is 0. Okay. Here also 1 by 2, 1 by 3, okay, 2 by 3 theta b slope, okay, 2 by 3, 3 by 4. Okay. Slope at point A is 0. This is the minus uniform distributed load minus uniformly varying load condition. Okay. 0 slope of uniformly distributed load is W L cube divided by 6 EI minus uniformly varying load slope is W L cube divided by 24 EI. So answer is W L cube divided by 8 EI. Slope at A is 0. Deflection at point B is deflection of uniformly distributed load W L power 4 divided by 8 EI minus deflection of uniformly varying load W L power 4 30 EI. So equal to answer is 11 bar 120 into W L power 4 EI. Deflection at point C is 0. So next case is the bending moment at point B. The slope at A is 0. Theta B equal to bending moment into EI. Deflection point fixed point is 0. Deflection at point B is M L square divided by 2 EI. Deflection at point C is 0. Okay, thank you.